Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain third question. See here, third question is given that given figure AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to DE. Then find the value of X and Y. Okay, see this is the given figure. See here, AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. This small line is there, no? That is okay. Now we should find the values of X and Y. Okay, how we should find? See here, given that this information already I said to you. See, 3x is equal to 105. Why? Because alternating interior angles are equal. So 3x is equal to 105. Okay, now x is equals to 105 divided by transpose of multiplication will gives division. Okay, now if you do the cancellation, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. Here 1 will be 15, 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to 35 will get. Now angle D 105 degrees. Okay, alternate interior angles. Now triangle CDE. CDE 24, see 24 plus y plus 105 is equal to 180. Okay, angle sum property we are using. Why? Because here this angle is equals to angle D 105. Okay, so sum of angles in a triangle 24 plus 105 plus y, okay, is equal to 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 minus 105 plus 24, 129 is equal to 51. So y is equal to 51. X is equal to 35, y is equal to 51. This is the third solution. Next to fourth question. See here, in the adjacent figure, BE is perpendicular to DA and CD is perpendicular to DA. Then prove that M angle 1 is congruent to M angle 3. Okay, this is the given figure. In this figure, BE is perpendicular to DA. So BE is perpendicular to DA and CD is perpendicular to DA. Okay, now we need to find out the angle. Okay, see, CD is perpendicular to DA, already I said to you. Two lines CD and BE are perpendicular to the same line DA. Yes, CD and BE is two perpendicular to the same DA. Okay, now see here, CD is parallel to BE and angle D is equal to angle E. Corresponding angles for CD and BE and DE are transversal. So M into angle 1 is equal to M into angle 3. Alternate interior angles for the lines. CD is parallel to BE. DB are transversal. Hence proved that. Okay, this is the fourth one. Next, fifth one. See here, find the values of xy for which the lines AD and BC becomes parallel. Okay, see, this is the figure. Values of x and y we need to find out. AD and BC becomes parallel. AD and BC, these two are parallel and this is the transversal. And fifth solution, see here, for the lines AD and BC to be parallel, no? So 2 in x minus y is equal to 30 here. X minus y is equal to 30. These are corresponding angles are equal. So 2x is equal to 8y. 2x is equal to 8y we need to take alternating interior angles. Okay, here 8 to 8 is given in the textbook. See here, fifth one, this is okay, 5y. Now you can solve this. Okay, now here you can multiply with 2, so 2x minus 2y is equal to 60, 2x minus 8y is equal to 0. Okay, now you can do the and 8y minus 2y, 6y is equal to 60, y is equal to 10. After getting y value, you can substitute in this or in this, you will get x value. So x is equal to 40, y is equal to 10. Next, sixth question. Find the value of x and y in the figure. This is the given figure. How we can find? See here, y plus 40, 140 is equal to 180. Why? Because angles at point, linear pair of angles also we can call this 2r. Okay, now y is equal to 180 minus transpose of plus 140 minus 140. So if you do the subtraction, you will get 40. And x is equal to 30 plus y. Now exterior angles, sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, so x degree is equal to 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, this is the sixth solution. Thank you.